So hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of a pneumatic slotting machine. So let us see the concept and abstract first. So actually the concept of the project is we know very well what is slotting machine. Here the slotting machine will be operated using the pneumatic cylinders. This is the main advantage of this project. So here you can see the report contains 86 pages. In the report you can see from the abstract. So these are all the contents of this project report. 17 subheadings, starting with synopsis, introduction, literature survey. So here you can see the types of slotting machine. So we have 5 different type of slotting machines. So it will be described here. And what is slotting operation? So what is the main advantages of slotting operation was given here in the 8 different points. And the parts, what are the parts we used in this project was given in this. And this is the basic operation of the solenoid valve, how a solenoid valve will work, everything will be described here. And this is the basic power supply unit circuit. So here that slotting machine is a automated control. So every time the slotting will do by itself. So it was operated by electronic circuit. So this is the working principle. And here you can see from the compressor, air compressor will be sent to the solenoid valve using the flow control valve. From the solenoid valve you can able to make the slotting machine with electronic control unit. So here we used a double acting cylinder. So what are the advantages? Here I give the advantages and disadvantages, applications, and list of materials. What are all the materials we used in this project was described here. The cost estimation and the drawings. So it's a line diagram, so which represents how the entire slotting machine will work. So here you can see the entire operations of the cylinder. So this is how the entire report has been made. So let us see the project demonstration.
This project is pneumatic slotting machine. This is X direction, this is the Y direction, and one Y is there. Cylinder, pneumatic double acting cylinder, outer diameter 45 mm, inner diameter 35 mm. Double acting pneumatic cylinder. This is solenoid valve, 5x2 solenoid valve. One inlet to outlet to exhaust. Then timing circuit. Flow control valve. This bearing 6202 ball bearing. Guide arrangement. Shaft 15 mm diameter shaft. Guide bush 15 mm. Outer diameter 25 mm, inner diameter 15 mm. Guide bush. This screw rod 16 mm. Screw rod. This is 12 mm screw rod for vice. Switch button. Pressure need for 6 bar pressure.
Zoom malah temen. Aha. Baik aja.
This speed.
Pause. And the punching speed variation.
This is speed. Slow. feet.
Sample.
Frame 16 inch, 18 inch, 18 inch length, 16 inch breadth, 1 feet height. Overall height 2 feet.
So guys, hope you understand the demonstration. So if you require this type of projects, or if you have any ideas, or if you want to do any mechanical projects, you can contact our executive or live support centers available in Chennai on different locations, T Nagar, Vadapalni. So if you require these type of projects, you can contact us. We deliver the mechanical projects all over the India, so people from all over India can avail these projects. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe on channel and keep on updates. Thank you.